Today, I'm going to share basic information on the use of pistol. Yan, basic use of pistol for the kids. So first, I already told them the most important in handling firearm is you must know first the main purpose of firearms. There is only two things. The only use of firearm is for defense and to be used in range, basically. Okay. And second, you need to memorize and internalize these rules, basic rules in handling firearms. Most important one, number one, you must always consider that a firearm or a gun is always loaded. Always loaded. Because as we said a while ago, the characteristic of a firearm is a lethal weapon that can cause loss of lives in just blink of an eye. Okay? So treat the firearm as if they are loaded, and never point the firearm to anyone unless you have the intention of shooting it. Okay? And third most important, always point the firearm in a safe direction. Safe direction is common sense. It will be very long if I will tell the details, but I have just given you already what is meant by safe direction. Safe direction means the designated safe direction, especially in the range or in any other places, a direction that will not harm or harm anybody, because firearm can penetrate. The bullet will ricochet. So those are the three most important rules. Always consider firearm as though they are loaded. Never point firearm to anyone unless you have the intention of shooting it. And third, always point the firearm, the muzzle of the firearm in a safe direction. Okay? So, for introduction, andito yung gagamitin natin, yung pistol. So, I already discussed to you how we determine pistol. It is mainly based on the diameter of the barrel. Doon it is there that determines the kind of pistol, like 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter is related with the diameter of the bore of the barrel and with the bullet. For 9 mm, that is actually specifically the size of the bullet, that is 9 millimeter. But the diameter of the bore is about more or less 9 mm or 0.334. So ganyan. It's there how we determine. Can you understand now Tagalog? So caliber 45. Of course, 45, if that is millimeter, that is very big. So caliber 0.45, that is in inches. So the diameter of the gun, the barrel, is 0.45 inches. Okay? So the most common variation of pistol is 45 and 9 mm. Then other variations will be caliber 40, that is 0.40, then 0.22, 357, 40. So those are the short firearms. Okay? So what we are going to use today is a 9 mm pistol. A very good pistol made in Italy, a Tanfoglio. Okay?
It's a Beretta?
Tanfoglio. Yan. It's a good pistol from Italy. The other one is from Austria. Yung origin ng mga ito. So there are variations of Glock. This is P26, small one. It's like combat pistol. You can hide in a small bag. Okay? Even in like a belt bag. Okay? And of course, they have different magazines. Okay? Yan. And they have also different holster. The holster that I'm using, this is for range holster for the Tanfolio pistol. But for this small one, it has a different holster. This one, see? Tactical holster also. And of course, in the range, you need to have the protective goggles because of the for protection of the eyes and protection of the ear. Protect your eardrum. That is too much. The sound of explosion is too much that the air it will shall we say stress the air. Okay? Yan yung basic equipment. And of course, we go on the ammunition. Yung ammunition, especially in the Philippines, we have the reload. Yung reload, the reload is, this is not the original, this is the empty shell, then it was put with, this is mainly for practice. Okay? This is the original live ammo. Okay? Yan. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
And we will go now on the basic marksmanship. Basic marksmanship. Okay? Ano yung sabi ko kanina? Yung accuracy and no. As to accuracy, accuracy is on the setting of the firearms. Accuracy. Shall we say, if the firearm was factory set or you adjusted in 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, that is the accuracy. The other one is, anong tawag doon? It's not proficiency. I forgot the one word for that. It's about the skill of the shooter. We will go now on the basic marksmanship that require the development of skill. And marksmanship, first thing to consider is one, stance. Basically, there are two kind of stance. Basic stance. Okay? Number one is the foot. The use of the stance is to maintain balance. Okay? Balance. Okay? The first is they call it the isosceles stance. Isosceles. Yung foot, the foot is shoulder apart. Yan. Okay? Then, it's like this. The arm will be extended forward. The elbow will be locked. So this is now the why they call it isosceles. Isosceles angle. You see inside, like triangle, that is the isosceles stance. And yan, the foot is yan, shoulder apart. Okay, like that. So when you draw your firearms, that is the one basic stance. The other stance is the Weber. I do not know why they call it Weber. Weber is the isosceles stance. You can move side to side. It's more convenient like that. Okay. See. The next stance is the Weber. You forward the other foot or you backward it. Okay, like that. And you draw the firearms. One hand, your strong hand. If you're right-handed, your strong hand will be the right, will be extended. And the other one will be support. You bend. See? That is the other stance, like that. Okay? Straight. Then this one bend. Okay? The two hands, your strong hand will push forward while the weak hand will push backward. So, like that, this one, like this. That is the isosceles, the Weber, like that. So you're pushing, you're pulling. Okay? That is the stance. Second is the grip, proper grip. Okay? Proper grip, always consider the trigger finger out. The index finger must always be extended. We are in the basic, okay? Because you might accidentally pull the trigger. So always trigger finger out. So, second to consider is the proper gripping. So you see how to draw. See, my strong hand, I'm right-handed, so my strong hand is right. My left will immediately go there to support. See? See? See the gripping? Trigger finger out. Okay? Then, the stance, the isosceles. Okay? That's the stance and the gripping. Okay? Next is the sight alignment. Sight alignment is the alignment of the front sight and the rear sight. Okay? They must be aligned. Okay? From your eyes, sight, okay? Like that. Okay? So, if there is no alignment, otherwise, it will be like this, going up or going down. So, you cannot hit. So, the next one is, we start from the very beginning, the proper stance, gripping, then the sight alignment. Okay? Next is, how you align this to the target. That is now what we call the sight picture. Sight picture. Okay? So my firearms, the accuracy of that is 12 o'clock in the center. So if this is the target, my sight must be there. Dead center. 12 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the center. Okay? Yan yung sight picture of the accuracy of my firearms. Okay? So again, proper stance, gripping, sight alignment, sight picture, then trigger control. Trigger, that's why trigger finger out. You relax the your index finger in pulling the trigger, not like that. That is pinching. You push forward the proper stance, pull, and the left hand, the weak hand will pull. Then the trigger finger will just do it slowly, lightly. Okay? Proper stance, gripping, sight alignment, sight picture, then the breathing. Yan. Those are the things that you need to coordinate so that you will acquire the instinct in shooting your target. Okay? Understand? It's very easy, but once you're in the actual, you will be confused because you need to do it repetitiously. We have what we call the dry fire. You need to do a lot of dry fire. I've been handling this firearm more than 30 years ago where I start the basic. But since I did it, this is my first time again to handle firearm after more than 3 years. That instinct was already embedded in my body. Okay? Oh, that is the basic and basic stance. Then you can do now the movement like that. Okay, understand? Yan. Are you going to do now the firing? Okay. This is what I acquired more than 30 years ago. 3 years ago. I handled firearm last 3 years. Okay. Well, just test my firearm, the one I demo you. Okay. You can see if it will hit. Okay. If I can still make my skill with the accuracy of the firearm. Okay. We'll do now the demo. Okay, firing. Okay, ready, firing. So, but it's a little bit slower because the skill need to be done continuously. Okay, so I remember the accuracy of this. The sight is on the in the below the center. Now the how you will hit that is now the skill that you need to develop. The stance, the gripping, sight alignment, sight picture, trigger control, breathing. Those will be those will come all together and in relation with the target. So you see one miss it. You see one miss. Okay. So we'll go now one by one. Oh, come here. Okay, we'll do now one by one. Just like relax. This one relax. And you keep the sight alignment. Sight alignment, sight picture, you put on the center. Then breathing, trigger, control, slowly. Do not make like that. Keep the strong hand pushing forward and the weak hand pushing inward. They are opposing each other. Then relax the trigger finger, the index finger. Then just relax, align. Then sight picture, breathing, puk, 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 puk. Okay? Okay? I will put the bullet. You practice. Okay? Proper gripping. Pull, push, relax. Sight alignment. You put on the middle, sight picture. Squeeze. Okay? Okay? No. Trigger, figure out. Push, sight alignment, sight picture, breathing, trigger control, slowly.
I think I'm ready.
One more. Push, pull, do not so hard. Then breathing, then squeeze. Okay. Breathing, then side picture, then squeeze. Good. Relax. Relax. Side alignment, side picture, side alignment, side picture, breathing. Next. Very, very high. You hit the very... This one is straight. Okay, go. Yeah, go. Grip. Job turn.
This is not loaded, right? Okay.
Squeeze. Alignment, side picture, breathing, exhale. Squeeze when you're ready. Go. Squeeze when you're ready. Alignment, side picture, alignment, 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 alignment. stance. Okay? Stance. That's why you choose the Weber stance. You see, straight. See? Pak! Pak! Ganyan ka. See? The stance will carry the balance. Okay? You punch, you pull. Okay? Then align with the picture, breathe, squeeze slowly. Then stance. Hindi yung normal yan, but your stance, normal, but your stance will maintain. That's your balance. Okay? Next, trigger finger out. Align it. This one. Then the picture you put in the middle. You're lucky this is a very soft firearm. Okay? Then, breathing. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze slowly. Not just relax. Just relax. Then align.
Oh yeah.
Go. 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 Grip. We'll start again. Your stance. You check your stance. Then, breathe. Squeeze slowly. Breathe. Next. Same thing. Align. Slowly. Align. Slowly breathe. Align. Slowly breathe. Align. Slowly breathe. Good. Handed, then you move your left forward, left foot. Bend a little. Then straight your back foot where your right-handed is aligned. Okay? Then push. Now in actual. O, ganyan. The other one, the isosceles is like that. Okay? That's how to make the dry fire on stance. Okay? Dry fire. Okay? You will going to use the Weber. We are all right-handed. So meaning the back foot will be the where your right-handed is aligned. See? Oh, sige. Ready? Weber. Ready? Draw. Box, pull. Align. The picture, breathe, squeeze. Oh, turn back. Turn back. Then, draw again, stance. Back. That's how you will make the dry fire million times. Until you go in the firing range, you will not be unconscious anymore. You will be conscious on what you're doing automatic. Okay? Dry fire on Weber stance. Ready? Your weak hand elbow will be bended. Then sight alignment, sight picture. Then breathing. Inhale, exhale, then squeeze, trigger control. Okay? The metal plate first. Okay? Proper gripping, stance. You hold it. Gripping. Gripping. Pull, then push the other one. Then alignment. The sight alignment. Sight picture. Relax. Sige. That's what I'm telling you. Hand. Right? Right, okay. Sight alignment. Sight picture. Breathing. Inhale. While exhaling, squeeze. Okay, good. Live. Sight picture. Breathing. Then squeeze when you're ready.
I did.
Oh, again. No. Again, we'll do it. Finger out. Do not. Then, sight alignment, sight picture, breathing, relax. Breathing, then squeeze slowly when you're ready. Sight.
It's not good.
Sige. One more.
No, it's not. When I
No,
squeeze
yeah, I
it.
know it. Don't. Then squeeze when you're ready. Okay, go, 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 go. Finger out. Don't finger out. You put that when you're already ready to squeeze. Push, push. No,
Shoot.
no, 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 no.
Out.
Push, pull,
Shoot.
relax. Okay, go. Side alignment, side picture. Go. Side picture, side alignment. Then side the picture. Then breathing. Then go. Side alignment. Side alignment. You bend your shoulder forward like this. Do not make this strong. Just relax. Push and pull. See? Then breathe. Sure. Go. 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 Done. Squeeze. Go. Same thing. Go. 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 Align. Do not make like this. Align with the picture. Breathe. Squeeze. When ready. More. Align. Mataas. You align with the picture, middle, side picture. Go. See? Mm. Go. Galing. Video? Ano yung
Video.
video?
It's okay.
Okay, live. Good. Next. Align. Side picture. Breathe. Squeeze when you're ready. Mataas. Align. Side picture. Breathe. Squeeze. Okay, align. Side picture. Breathe. Squeeze. Slowly. Align. Side picture. Breathe. Squeeze. Align. Breathe. Squeeze. Good.
Yay! Oh my God! How many attempts?
So guys, we have done the basic. This is your first time basic marksmanship using the pistol Glock Tanfolio pistol. Okay, 9mm. So you had applied there the proper handling, the proper stance or stance, gripping, then the sight alignment, sight picture, then breathing, then your trigger control. So you have noticed there, once you're in actual, sometimes you will be unconscious. You forgot already the rules, the muzzle of the firearm is going the other way around. So you can do the dry run in your own time. The stance, like that, then draw. See? Then you imagine, grip, sight alignment, in align with the sight picture in relation with the set accuracy of the firearm. Okay? It's good?
Yeah.
So, how did you find the good experience?
Fun. I'm confident.
Hi, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, yes. Oh, may
Who was
question.
the worst shooter out of all of us?
There's no such thing as worst shooter. What's important there in, in the range, it's, you enjoy it, it's fun. It's how you will develop your skill. What's most important there is safety. you finish the activity without any harm or any injury, then that's a good thing. Thank you.